Hi friends, welcome to our output channel. I am starting to explaining about the JSON data to store into the file. How many types we will do that? This is the my JSON. Okay, this is the JSON. This is the dict. This is an object. This is the file. Which file? This is the dictionary. Okay, this is the dictionary. We can store the data like as this one. Just we can copy this one from this one to home. Just copy, put in the top, save on here, change the this is the dict. Okay, this is the dictionary. This is the JSON dump. JSON data should be converting into the JSON object. This is dictionary data should be converting into the dictionary JSON object and store into the file. What is that file? First we can use myfile.json. Okay, this file is stored or not. First we can check this scenario. Save, go to in command line prompt, change into the small, moving into the up this one. See now, this is the, now we'll go to, first we can see on here ls command, ls minus yeah, you can see here existing file you can remove, rm minus f my file dot json. Again you can remove everything on here. Rm minus f means that is the particular file we are removing. This is the only file. Now go to run. It is successfully executed this one. Now we can go ls minus al. It is created or not. My file is json.created. Now we can go to this, click to open. My file is JSON. You can see here this entire the data is coming on here. Now we will try into some other scenarios also. Remove. You can see here I removed this one. Then I will go to in here. Here I will do, here is that is the single quotations only. And Krishna also it is the single quotations. Suresh also we can save into the single quotations. Everything it's have the single quotations. Now we can go to run once again. What happened? It is successfully executed. Then go to in the notepad, click on this file. It is asking the reload. Click on reload. Here is it is converting into the single quotation to double quotation. Means this is the converting into the JSON object. Are understand that? Okay. Thank you.